Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is brought to you by Flitz. Yes, Flitz. Flitz is a fabulous company. They make polishes and waxes and cleaners of all sorts for marine, automotive, motorcycle. They make accessories that keep everything you have looking immaculate. Alright, this little kit here I have spread out is the motorcycle to go kit. It comes with their metal polish, speed wax with carnauba, and their stainless steel and chrome cleaner. They also sent me a large tube of the Flitz polish and their super mini buff ball with an extra tube of their Flitz polish. Goes on the end of a drill. It'd be good for cleaning your wheels and spokes, things like that. Alright, I'd like to give a very special thanks to Flitz for sending this to me, all of these items, so that I can show you guys all about them. The little kit comes with a carrying bag, a microfiber cloth, and all three of the items that I went through. Here in a moment, I will take these outside. I'm going to use this kit here in particular and show you guys how it works on the bike. Now there's a link in the description below to all of these products. I've heard really good things about these guys. This company is amazing. So let's go ahead and go out there and see how it does. Alright, let's go ahead and try some of these Flitz products here. I'm going to go ahead and break into the Flitz Cycle to Go kit. We have, once again, our speed wax, the Flitz polish, and the stainless steel and chrome cleaner. Alright. It's a bit chilly today. That's okay. Let's see here. Get her all opened up. Let's start out with the metal polish here. Okay. There we are. Fantastic. All right. Okay, I've got my handy cleaning rag here. It is clean, believe it or not. It has been washed. It's very good terry cloth here. All right. As you can see, the engine is rather dirty or tarnished, a little patina on it. I haven't washed it in anticipation of using the Flitz here. Alright, let's get a little dab on there, as you can see. Alright, let's start with this oil filter cover here. It says to put it on, wipe it, rub it. Alright. It says do not let it dry on there. Okay. Just get it rubbed in really good there. You can see it's turning black. Will it make a difference? Let's find out. There we go. As you can see. Let's get my microfiber here. There we are. Let's wipe it off. Kelly. Well now, look at that. I would say that is a definite improvement. Alright, let's do a little more of this side case here. Let's come over to this side, shall we? Just wipe it off with this terry cloth here. Oh, would you look at that? That's pretty good stuff. Okay. Alright, I'm going to give you a close-up of this engine here. Zoom in a little bit. Now you can see it's all tarnished and dirty. When I come back, I'm going to clean this half of the engine here. Alright? Clean from here over, and then I'll do a comparison. Be right back. There. Now you can see a clear difference between here and here. Absolutely fantastic. It's got that mirror look to it. So you can see there, you can see my hand. Here, it's just foggy and dim. Alright, I'm going to finish up this side cover and then we'll move on to some chrome. Alright, there we are. Let's go ahead and move on to some stainless steel and chrome clean. Get our microfiber here. Let's get our stainless steel and chrome clean there. Spray just a little bit on the rag. Swipe down the Kickstarter. Wow. All that muck, dirt has just gone. That fast. Well, all right. Let's go ahead and get our brake lever, shall we? Spray a little here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's get up a little closer. Let's go ahead and wipe it just one time. Gone. That is amazing. I mean, it cut through that road grime like it wasn't even there. There it is. Alright. Let's see. What shall we get to next? Alright, let's do the engine guard. Alright. Get our spray here. Look at that. Find a clean, dry spot. Just buff it out. Perfect. Okay. Let's move on to the paint, shall we? Alright, we're here at the front fender. Alright, we've got our speed wax here. Now, I haven't washed this at all. Just wipe some of this dust off really quick. Alright, excellent. I'm going to spray on our wax here. It's a very good fragrance. Quick and simple. And that's smooth as silk. Now, all their products also deflect further grime and dirt from getting on there with their coating. It's supposed to last up to 6 weeks. So that is a very cool thing. Alright guys, I'm right here at the front forks, the bottom portion, where the aluminum is showing. I want to show the results of the Flitz polish once again. Let's go ahead and knock some of this loose dirt off. Alright, you can see the before. Now let's just do a little spot here. Alright, just do a little spot right here. You can see it starting to turn black. It's removing all that tarnish and dirt. Alright, let's go ahead and wipe it. Now that is incredible. Not quite sure if you can see that. Get a little closer look here. But you can see that area. Oh yeah. That is a big difference. A big difference. Gosh, I'm telling you, this stuff is, it's like magic. It's like magic in a tube. Now I did leave a link in the description below to Flitz and to these little kits. I believe the Cycle to Go care kit is $24.95, and from what I'm seeing, I'd say it's well worth it. Well worth it. Amazing. I just finished up on this side cover, and that is immaculate. Amazing. Like I said, there is a link in the description below. Go ahead and check out Flitz. Check out all their products. They've got stuff for automotive, motorcycle, marine, you name it, they've probably got it. A cleaner and a polish for it. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And since you're here, you might as well subscribe. Just one little click of a button. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.